you on your home screen and you're trying to move an app icon, just like this Google Meet icon. You're trying to move it and it actually can't move on your screen, and it actually shows you home screen layout is locked. You can unlock it in settings. Okay, I'm going to show how to make sure that you can actually move your icons on your home screen and how to fix that error that usually comes, that problem that usually comes when you're trying to move the app icon on your home screen. Okay, pretty simple. All you need to do first, make sure you go to your phone settings. Okay, when you go to your Samsung phone settings, you go to the home screen, select home screen. When you tap home screen, you're going to see what they call lock home screen layout. So that means if it's turned on, you can prevent items on your home screen from being removed or repositioned. Okay, so when it is on, you can't move the items. Okay, so you have to make sure that you toggle it off right here. Okay, you see that? So make sure you turn it off. So when you turn it off and actually come back, you can actually move your app icon on your home screen very easily, unlike before you were not able to do that. The other way of getting the home screen settings is you can type long press on the home screen and then you tap the settings right here, and then make sure that you have the lock home screen layout toggled off. Okay, so that you can actually this is the lock home screen layout portion right here. Okay, make sure it's toggled off so that you can actually move the app icons, all icons on your home screen very easily, and you avoid that error. Just make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.